change in me I can't explain. Ever since I met you while strolling through the park one sunny day, it was love when I first saw you, and it's the love I really love you. It's not often that I feel since you came into my life. You have now become a part of me, and a part.
Should have just like this to work on someone hard, huh?
While strolling to the park one Sunday day, it was
like that every day.
I first saw you, and this love I really love you so. It's not often that I feel this way since you came into my life. You have now become a part of me, and
Danny.